Hello YouTube, how the devil are you? Well, every time I start doing a video, these fuckers start walking around and going in the toilet and fucking compressor goes off. Fuck's sake. That will be our Wednesday pretty much done. Shut up, man. I can't put copyrighted music when I'm making a video. That'll be... Hello YouTube, how the devil are you? Week 2 in January. Here we are with our second video of the year. Appreciation and thanks to everybody that watched last week's video of myself and Henry going to collect my new car. It's much appreciated. Remember, if you haven't, like and subscribe. It does help the channel massively. It does help us with one of our goals for the business this year and just getting the word out there and getting more and more coverage via YouTube and social media. So, what's this week's video about? This is just a run-of-the-mill week, just showing you what we've got going on, what's happening, what the lads are up to, a little bit of a behind-the-scenes look, and hopefully there'll be not too much language and plenty of banter going on in the workshop. Wheel off. We're now off to Fox Hunters to get a new wheel swapped on. That's been sitting there since October. So off we go. Got my hands dirty getting that wheel off. So we're on my way to Fox Hunters. I actually ordered this wheel not long after I curbed it in October, just before I went on my holidays, and it was on a bit of a back order, but it came in, paid for it. It's been sitting there since. So reason we're being, and I'll show you when we get out the car why we're replacing the wheel rather than refurbishing it, is the wheels that are on the 5 Series are a bronze centre with a diamond cut face with a bronze coated lacquer on, and nobody can replicate it. So much like the M3 competition wheels, which have got the smoked lacquer on, very, very, very similar to that, and all the wheel refurbers that we know and that we use have gone and laughed at me. So we've had to replace a wheel, and this is the second wheel I've had to replace, but that is in 3 years. So only the decent thing to do since we've got the wheel. A good friend of ours, Craig, who used to work with us to fit the PPF, is buying the car off me. So it's only right that he gets it as good as it can be. So we're on my way to Fox Hunters. Hopefully there's not too much traffic. This is what we're here to sort out, this thing here. So if you look all the way around, did a proper job. As you can see, bronze, diamond cut, not going to refurb. So Tuesday is a go. Didn't get a lot of footage done yesterday because we had a busy, mad day just getting everything sorted and getting the week started. If you look behind us, we did get the wall painted and we did get the neon up, which I'm really, really, really pleased with. I'm going to have a quick walk around the workshop now, talk to the lads, see what's going on. So what's going on in the workshop today? Lister's doing his favourite, a black car. This one in for multi-stage machine polish and G-Technic coatings. And we've got one wheel away getting refurbed. On ramp number 2, we've got this stunning carmine red Taycan. This one is also in for G-Technic coatings. What we're actually doing on this one is coatings, wheels off, the full lot. That one's getting pushed to Sierra Motor. Let's go and see Lister, see how he's doing. Hi Lister. Hi. Do you want to talk to the camera?
Not really, mate.
Do you want to tell the people what you're doing?
Making things shiny.
Making things shiny.
And literally scraping the barrel.
And this is what we do with polish. This is how we get the maximum profit out of every bottle of polish. We have got another bottle, I hasten to add.
I haven't got separation anxiety. I just love it.
But this is what we're doing. So show us your pad. There you go. So there's a top business tip. Cut the bottom off your polishing bottles and scrape it out. Back ramp the wagons on, wheels off, getting it swapped, getting the tyre swapped onto a new wheel. That's going to get plates taken off, get a good clean. That will be going on Saturday. You've all seen the new car by now, so this is what the project is this week. Get this one ready for its new owner. Andy, what are you doing?
Looking from the...
What you lost?
From the honest answer, I do want to do it.
What you lost?
Lost my foot. Anyway,
Lost your what?
you took the fucks.
Will to live. You'll not find your will to live in the toolbox.
Some cracks.
You need to fill some cracks.
So cracking. Sorry.
Ho ho!
I'm gonna go through the hole now.
Ah, right, yeah. Because when I've been doing videos on that, I've kind of been making myself in the way, so you can't see the crack in the wall. So you're going to fill that today. That'll never fill the crack in the wall. That's a trim tool.
I'm not going to be in queue for a thing.
A scraper.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
No, it's not called a scraper actually. Scraper's for that. It's a filling knife.
Right. Okay. Who knew? Henry can plaster too. What was that? What? So that was the first stage of polishing, so hopefully this will show up on the camera. This one's in for a two-stage machine polish. This is a solid colour, so there's nowhere to hide on it. It's got to be absolutely bang on. So hopefully this shows up on camera. Now this is a little bit bloomy and there is still some scratches on it before anybody starts, but this is just a test patch just to see what we need to do. So that's where we are at currently. It is bloomy, it does need refining, possibly another cut, but if we work down, that is where we started. Now there's an expectation within detailing that you will remove all of this. After nearly 20 years doing this, yes, it is possible if the time and the effort and the skill is put in, and we can do it, but the majority of people aren't prepared to pay for that. That comes with a lot, that takes a lot of time, a lot of skill. The majority of people are just happy to have a shiny car and a protected car. So this goes back to what we say about debunking myths and dealing with the bullshit that is around the detailing industry. By the time that's polished, and I will show you that, and we will come back to that, I'm going to video the whole polishing of the bonnet. I will speed it up so you don't have to watch it in real time. But that bonnet will be, I would say, 85 to 90% correct. When people are telling you 100% correction, they're lying. It's not possible. Somebody can argue with me, and by all means come back at me and argue with me. It is not possible. There is no way you can get it 100%. This is a used car that's done some miles. It will not be with 100%. Short of a respray, that's the only way it'll happen. come back at us, see what I say. So there it is, bonnet polished. Real time, that probably took me about half an hour. So again, when people are saying it takes hours to polish a bonnet, it's all just bullshit. It's all bullshit and stuff for social media. I'm happy with that. I'm going to coat that obviously tomorrow, but I'm happy with that. That is of a decent enough standard, to the standard that we've promised the customer, and the Carmine Red is just looking absolutely stunning now. This is a very, very satisfying colour to work with. So that will be our Wednesday pretty much done. Been a fairly uneventful day today, but we're getting a lot done. So the Porsche over my left shoulder there is coated. Wheels are back on. We're getting the wheel back from refurb, so they've been coated and put back on. Mark has been working on this F10 5 Series in black. Love a black car, don't you, mister?
Absolutely.
That one's looking spiffing as well. All the coatings on the paint, glass, interior, and the wheels are down here on the floor. They'll go back on in the morning once they've been coated. So, had a decent Wednesday. Henry's done some wrapping on the van in the corner. You'll have seen the footage. You'll see some footage of that when that's done as well, because we've got a nice design going on them for a builder's van. They look really, really cool. So that is Wednesday, all boxed off. Getting ready to go home in the next 10 minutes. Oh, and I'm getting the wagon cleaned in the corner, because that was disgusting. So, Simba, shut up. So there you go, that's Wednesday done and dusted, and we're going home. See you tomorrow. Thursday update, quick walk round. First car, almost done. This F10, this needs interior and the wheels putting back on. That one is ready to go. Next one, Carmine Red. Look at that, absolute gloss on that. This one needs interior, glass coating. That one will ready to go. That one will be out the door this afternoon. And in the corner here, giving the wagon a wash, also needs interior, glass coating topped up. That one going to its new owner on Saturday. What are you doing?
Tidying up.
Tidying up?
I don't want to get it wrong.
Organised. You could tidy them up.
Put them all the right way.
Put them all the right way.
I'll alternate them.
Not really want to talk about tidying up, because all of this box, all came out of the wagon last night when I cleaned it out. Now, I'm not a fan of air fresheners, but OG detailers, people that have been around for a while in the detailing industry, will remember this one. Now, I'm going to show you this one first. Signature scent. Now, this smells like a gentleman's club. This has got an unreal smell. However, this wasn't the original one. Those that have been around from day one will remember stripper scent. Now, that's not politically correct, but it smells unreal. So anybody watching this who remembers this, you'll be able to smell it now as I'm talking. Lister's now got a face full of it. And Lister now smells like a stripper.
First time for everything.
Quick walk around on a Friday. It's the last day of the working week. We've got lots in. We've got this Merc in for a mini detail and some polishing work, a little bit of a top up. We've got Craig's XC60 over there for a mini detail also. We've got a lot of ice and salt down. It's very, very cold this morning.
Not a bad idea, that is.
Are you warm, Lister?
Well, I will be, because look at this little trick I've just thought of. Fucking right.
You could just put some gloves on.
Gloves are for pussies. I allowed to say that.
Hi, Murphy. What? Hi. Hi, Murphy.
Hello. Got a snotty nose, dude.
Just nice. Thanks for sharing. Gordon's SQ5, that's on our monthly subscription. So that is in for its monthly wash. We've not seen that since before Christmas, and it's actually still pretty clean. Gordon doesn't use it a lot, but likes to keep on top of it. We've got Tesla. This is for next week. It's going to the body shop. It needs a polish, needs the white interior cleaned. And then Henry's pushing on and pushing through the wrap on this van. So some coloured pieces to go on, and then some graphics to go on there.
Go on then. What are you doing, Dave?
What am I doing?
Yeah?
Topping this gentleman's screen wash up.
All part of the service?
All part of the service, pal.
Spilled some?
I know it's got one of those really slow fills, but it's going in.
Oh, I like to see. There's Murphy as well, helping.
Quality control punch.
Oh, yeah.
And that is a wrap on our week. Just my two cars and this one waiting to go out, and that is it. We are done. Another week done and ticked off for 2026. We've had an absolutely awesome week. We've had some fun. We've dealt with some nice cars. We've dealt with some nice people, and we've made another video. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, enjoy your weekend. We are going to enjoy our weekend, and don't forget, like and subscribe.